Hey you guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got these, what are these? The crochet twists, hair crochet style. Girl, we about to be cute for the fall, okay? Protective style season is here. And I am here to help y'all get it right and get it tight. But I just want to shout out Scentbird for sponsoring this video. So by now, if you have not heard of Scentbird, sis, get your life together first and foremost. But Scentbird is a monthly subscription service. They give you the opportunity to sample over 600 different scents. They have brands in fragrance, cosmetics, skincare, and wellness. Okay, they're stepping their game up. For just $15 a month, you get a fragrance. It's a 30-day supply so that you can try a different fragrance each month. You don't want to smell like the same Yeti Betty every month. It's about 120 to 140 sprays for 30 days. That is really good. It's way bigger than the little tiny samples that they give you in the store that will probably last for 4 days, if that. So Scentbird partners with top brands like Gucci, Tom Ford, Prada, and they also do indie brands like Glossier. So you know for sure you're getting 100% authentic scents each time. The scent that I got this month is Love Tuberose. I can just carry this in my purse whenever, you know, sometimes you gotta hit them armpits. Because like I said, I live in Florida. It's hot all the time, so we be sweating. They also sent me the Candy Johnson and Perlice Buttermeat Orange Body Butter. This is actually a unisex lotion, but it smells so good. So they also sent me these vitamins. So these are the Backup by Sun Daily. It's unisex vitamins. It's really good for skincare. And then they also send me Better Days capsules by Hath, and these are also unisex vitamins as well. So I will leave my coupon code on the screen. You'll get 30% off of your first month. So that's just $10 for your first month's subscription to get all these great products. I'll leave all the information in my description box, so don't forget to check on the links below. Let me know if you've tried them before, and if you haven't, go ahead and check them out. Give it a try, get your scents on, get them together, girl, get them together, and don't say that I never told you. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on into this video. Okay, so this is my starting point I have in my braids, and we're just going to talk about this braid pattern really quick. It's not the best, we're going to say that really quick, but I have 12 braids in the front, and then they kind of join to make 6 braids in the back, and then they make this big old chunky like, look y'all, I know it's really thick. I told y'all it's not the best, but we gonna do what we do. So I'm just telling you my starting point. I'm starting, we'll just call it 10:45 so that you guys can see how long this actually takes. So the hair I'm using is by Afri Natural or Afri Natural. They're pre-stretched crochet looped 2X Nomadik twist. They're 18 inches in the color T1B/burgundy, and I will leave a link down below for you guys to find it on your own. So I'm just going to crochet them in as normal. I did one braid on the bottom all the way across in case I wanted to put my hair up in a ponytail, but yeah, that never happened. But we're not gonna talk about it. So it's gonna be up to you to decide how many twists or crochet hairs you want to put in on each braid. I in the beginning was a little scarce because I wanted to make sure that I had enough, but then I added in some more towards the end. So right now you can kind of see my braids through the crochet hair, but I wanted to make sure that I did not run out of hair. I bought 6 packs, and when I was done, I used only 5, so then I was able to make sure I could go back in with that 6 full pack to get any parts that I may have missed. So we're just gonna go ahead and show you how I'm doing this. You know, just the regular thing. You put the crochet needle through the braid, and then you close the latch and put the crochet hair through the loop, and you pull it tight, and then there you have it. That's really all you do. And I'm going to do it a few times to show you guys again. All right, so I'm all done, and this literally only took me an hour and a half to do. I finished at 12:17, so it's literally like an hour and 33 minutes to do. And last thing I'm gonna do is just touch up my edges with my edge control, and then we are good to go. Such a super simple style. And I also really want to shout out J. Marie for putting up her video on this. That's where I heard of it from, and then her tutorial is way better than mine, so I'll leave her link below also so you can watch her tutorial. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this one as well, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.